What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today we are in Marshall. This is the part 2 of what houses look like in Marshall. Now I'm going to be showing you what some of the houses here look like in Marshall. By the way, some of the houses that I'm going to be showing you are still under construction or renovation. Do you understand? But I just want to show you what type of houses are being built here in Marshall. So come along with me on this journey. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to dive straight into the video so you can see what the houses here in Marshall, Liberia looks like. Let's get right into the video, guys. Let's go. Hi guys, man, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today is Marshall, but maybe next time we might go somewhere else. I want for you guys to comment down in the comment section. Let me know what other part of Liberia you would love for me to do drone footage of, or what other part of Liberia that is developing and you would like for me to highlight on this channel. You understand? Like always, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before this year end. We are currently on 8,900 subscribers, so we're not far from our goal. Let's make that happen before this year. And my name is Fizzle, your favorite Liberian boy. Until next time, peace.